Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by picking a canvas size and importing your images. This matters because composition and export size affect quality. Once uploaded, place your main photo and lock background to avoid accidental moves. Use the toolbar to crop or use fit/fill. Choose fill for full bleed images, fit to preserve all content. Make sure to name layers and group related elements so adjustments remain non-destructive and efficient as you move to editing. Now focus on improving the photo. Start with exposure and contrast to set dynamic range, then tweak temperature and saturation to match your visual intent. Once done, apply a filter for mood or open effects and use curves to fine-tune highlights and shadows. This gives control that sliders lack. Use background remover for subject isolation, then retouch edges with the eraser or masks. Make sure to add a subtle sharpen and check at 100% to confirm detail without artifacts. Finish by checking composition at 100% and selecting export settings that match your use, PNG for crisp graphics or JPG at 80-100% for smaller files. Once exported, preview on the target device and confirm color and crop integrity. Make sure to choose sRGB for web use to reduce color shifts. If colors look off or a change broke a layer, use version history to restore a previous state, or revert the specific edit. That single step often resolves most export problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.